Hello, my name is Maryam Wahid and I'm an artist and photographer. My practice primarily focuses on identity and belonging, and I primarily do that through photography. For the Creative Connections project, I work with a local school in Coventry that were Year 9 students from Barr's Hill School. I worked with them over a number of workshops exploring identity and self-portraiture. So we did this through printmaking, photography. As a result of the workshops, I gained a very personal connection with the students, and I found that actually representing them in this exhibition was significantly important. My angle to capture these individuals was to really reflect on the next generation and what was significant to them as young people living in Coventry today. Some of these sitters have particularly selected objects that are significant to them, such as AirPods, their Air Jordans, and I feel this really reflects the young generation and the next generation of Coventry, and it really reflects what the style and fashions are of today. My interaction with Coventry has always been with the communities that live here, and I think that's what actually influenced me to create a portraits project and focus on identity. I felt like the personalities that make up Coventry are so diverse and so multicultural. For me as an artist, stories and people inspire me, and really representing people in places. I wanted to essentially recreate the significance of living in Coventry